spread it. I request my dear friend Palaks to introduce the chief guest to you.
Good morning, everyone. I deem it my pleasure to introduce to you Dr. Abhishek Venkateshwar, Associate Professor, HOD and Director, and Associate Dean of Acharya Institute of Technology, Bengaluru. He is a renowned academic leader, researcher and educator, dedicated to transforming management, education through innovation and excellence. His academic credentials are very extensive. He has a PhD from Jain University, a gold medalist in his MPhil and multiple postgraduate qualification from across international universities. A profile researcher and innovator, Dr. Abhishek has authored several research papers and textbooks, many of which has gained acclaim all over the world. Recognized for his excellence, he has received numerous prestigious awards, including the Global Best Teacher Award, Asia Conclave Best Professor Award, Vidya Bhushan Award, etc. He has participated in many panel discussions on Republic TV and News 9 advocating technology-driven teaching, student-centric learning and future of business education. It is such an honor to have such an accomplished academician today for our annual day. A warm welcome to you, sir. We are eagerly waiting to hear your views regarding education today. Thank you. I see.
Good morning, respected dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, esteemed teachers, respected parents, and most importantly, my dear little stars or little leaders. It's an absolute honor and privilege to stand here. BBUN Jain Vidyalay's 42nd annual day is definitely a milestone event. And I'm so happy to the entire leadership team, President, Vice President, Secretary, Senior Principal, Vice Principals for thinking me worthy enough for being a chief guest. So thank you so much. Today, I'm going to be parallelly addressing the young little superstars that we have here, teachers, and most importantly, parents. I want to start with the quote. Leaders are not born, they are made. I repeat, leaders are not born, they are made. And right now, they are being made at your esteemed school. This phase of your life is very, very important. Children, please understand that you are the future of this country. In the next 10 years, you will be standing or sitting here like us, and each one of us hope that you surpass all of us and reach greater heights. For that, a little bit of preparation that you need to start right here, right now. First thing is, you are all extremely lucky that you are sitting in one of the premier schools of the city, and you have some of the best minds as your teachers and principal. So a big round of applause to your teachers, please. And it's very important for you to respect them and take inputs from them to build up your life. I'm going to tell a small example, and that example is for my little stars. So I'm going to tone it down and talk to them the way they like to be spoken to. Right? All of us enjoy food, right? Food is something that we all appreciate and we enjoy. Be it a child, be it an adult, food is something we cherish and it nourishes us. So assuming you have a thali, a very good North Indian vegetarian thali, right? You have chapati, rice, dal, vegetable, curd, pickle, papad, sweet, dessert, lassi, right? It's important for you to taste everything and then pick something that you like, right? And you're expected to finish that whole thali. Please understand, your school education is like that thali, right? Academics might be the rice, that's the most important carbohydrate that requires us. I'll simplify it, that's the one that gives us energy. But your dal, your vegetable, your curd, which is your extracurricular activities, co-curricular activities, sports, stage presence, communication skills, leadership skills is extremely important. Unless you know how to balance this, so you will mix the rice, the dal, the vegetable and then eat, you will get nourished. Unless and until you understand this, it's very important for you to take part in every activity that's conducted in school because you have to develop your personality skills. Tomorrow, academics is very, very important, but apart from that, your personality, your participation in co-curricular activities, extracurricular activities, your attitude, your values, all that will take you places. So please remember this North Indian thali example and ensure that you take part in everything because such a stage is not possible for everyone. Your school is giving you this platform, your teachers are putting in that much effort and your parents are there as your backbone. So it's you should be using this and in the next 10-15 years we will see you as the bright shining leaders that our country requires. And please remember that today media is available to you. You can just a click of a button, you can get every information, but there is always a joy of researching on your own. Books can never get replaced. How much ever technology we have, AI, chat, GPT, everything, today if at all of us sitting here are able to communicate like this, it's because of a strong foundation that we had, which technology did not really give. So my request to all the parents, please ensure the usage of social media and technology is moderated because it's very important that our little heroes enjoy the real life and not just a virtual life, right? Having said this, I'm so impressed seeing such young, amazing orators. Honestly, some of you speak better than me, so I am very, very proud and happy to see you guys. Great job. So heartwarming. I've heard so many introductions, but the way I saw all the MCs and the way this young gentleman introduced me was totally, it totally made me very emotional to see the talent that all of you have. Once again, I want to conclude by saying, leaders are not born, they are made right here at your school. Thank you very much.